In this video, we're going to solve a linear equation. Alex has several different types of these problems. This one has the variable occurring multiple times and it requires distribution. So for all of these solving a linear equation problems, the way that Alex is going to show you how to do it is not really the best in my opinion. So what we're going to do here is we're going to start with distributing if the problem requires distribution. So I'm going to distribute this 2. I'm going to leave the left side alone for now. And when I distribute that, I get 2u minus 16. Now, when Alex shows moving things and combining things, they tend to show it horizontally, which I don't really like. I prefer to show it vertically. I think that's a little bit easier to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by moving this minus 3u over. I could start really with any of these 4 terms. One thing that is sometimes nice is if you can move a negative by adding it. That means you have less negative signs, which means less of a chance of you missing a negative sign and making a mistake that way. So I move the minus 3u over by adding 3u to both sides. And that's going to give me negative 21 equals 5u minus 16. Next, I'm going to move the minus 16 over by adding it to both sides. My goal is to get all of the u's, or whatever variable you're using, on one side and all of the numbers on the other side. So to get the u's by themselves, I need to move the minus 16 by adding it to both sides. Negative 21 plus 16 is minus 5. And then I have 5u left on the right. Finally, to get the u by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And that gives me u equals negative 1. So again, I find this vertical setup a lot easier for most students to follow than the horizontal setup that is used in Alex.